To fill in your resume, simply select the text you would like to replace and add your info. To change the color, select the text and go to Colors. To change line color, select the line, go to Shape Format tab, click on Shape Outline, and select a color. If your info is already written on another document, you can copy and paste it from there. When you do it like this, sometimes Microsoft Word may carry the previous style, resulting in differences in the design. To correct this, select a piece of text that has the desired design. Click on the Format Painter icon and select the text that has the wrong styling.